Hi, good day everyone. This is Bean. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. O, pakita ko muna yung community ha. Okay, so ito yung mga magiging kapitbahay nyo. Tara, pasok na ako. Okay, sarado ko lang yung gate. Okay, so ito yung ating parking space. Malaki yan for a two SUVs. Malaki po yan. Kahit may big bike kayo, pwede. Okay? Then on this side, meron kayong provision for a pocket garden. So depende na lang sa inyo. Depende sa needs nyo kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Okay. So ito po yung ating main entry. Dito tayo sa main door. Alright. So ito yung ating magiging living area. By the way, location natin, we're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Again, location po is Greenwoods Executive Village. Very accessible po going to top business districts like Ortigas Business Center, Makati, or even BGC sa Taguig and Naiya, diba? Right, so dining area and then yung kitchen area natin. Okay, dito, balik ako na lang yan ha. So ito yung access kanina from the garage. Ayan. So single attached property. Then nandito yung ating service area. Right, balikan ko to. Okay, so kitchen with the island table. Kitchen island. Ayan, sorry. Then, dining area and then yung living area. Okay. Then, meron kayong maliit na airwell dyan. Right. Unahin ko itong pasukin. Itong guest room or senior room. So, pwedeng senior. Yan, may provision siya for a window type. Dahil may ano po ito. May sariling toilet and bath. Okay. May built-in cabinet na rin. So, kung may kasama po kayo senior, pwede po dito. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang private bathroom. Okay? Yung mga may kasama senior, ha? Again, ayaw na umakyat na second floor. Then, itong ilalim ng hagdan, naka-open lang, pero good for storage yan, kung gusto nyo. Diba? May ilaw na, papalagyan nyo lang siguro ng pintuan. Okay? Then, ito, common toilet and bath. Katabi niya is maid's quarter po dito. Okay, so ito yung maid's quarter. Pakita ko yung space. Alright. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Okay, again. Ayan o. So yung lot area natin dito is 150 square meter. Again, 150 square meter po yung lot size. And then yung floor area is around 220 square meter. Okay? So, dito second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms dito, including the master's bedroom. Huli kong papasukin. Pero maganda is malalaki, magaganda yung sizes ng bedrooms and may private bathroom for each bedroom. Okay? So, first bedroom. So, yan. Ganda ng size, diba? Then, sabi ko nga, for each bedroom, may private bathroom po tayo, right? Okay, so second bedroom. Ito yung kanyang cabinet and toilet and bath. Okay? Let's go dito sa ating master's bedroom. Maganda yung size ng bedrooms. Lalo na itong master. Saan ito ko nga? Oops. Sarado. Okay. So dito may maliit na balcony. Sa ano lang, small balcony lang, konting tambayan lang. Okay? So, yan yung mga magiging kapitbahay nyo. If ever po. Ayan. Then, ito yung pinakang space ng ating master's bedroom. Laki, diba? O, ayan. Nandyan yung kanyang built-in cabinet. Siyempre, may private bathroom din yan. Okay? O, again, we're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay. Ito yung pangalawang balcony. Ito, mas mahaba. Okay, mas mahaba pa yung balcony nito. Ganun lang din naman. Mas mahaba lang po. Alright? So, yun lang. Again, kung ang work nyo or business nyo is in Makati, Ortigas, or BGC, kahit na nga Libis, Chendesitas, very accessible po ito. Okay, meron tayong Pasig Gate, meron tayong Taytay Gate. Taytay Gate is recommended ko kung dadaan kayo ng Highway 2000. Okay, ngayon kung papunta kayong Ortigas, Pasig Gate tayo dadaan. Yun lang. So, if interested kayo, message kayo. Nandito yung number namin sa screen. Available via mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Alright? So, that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.